11. The birth of Jesus Christ. The birth of Jesus Christ was the beginning of God's new creation, of the new heavens and earth, which will be instituted with all its fullness and glory at his second advent. His resurrection was the beginning of the harvest time of that new creation, and Christ, as the second Adam, is the first fruits of that eternal kingdom of God. 1 Corinthians 15:45-47. As each of us is made regenerate by God's redeeming grace in Christ, we become citizens of that new creation. The birth of Jesus Christ is thus the most joyful of days, because it celebrates the nullification of sin and its consequences, and heralds the death of death in the fullness of his kingdom. Its message is indeed joy to the world, for if the world accepts its king, its every hope and promise finds fulfillment in him. Malachi 4:2 had prophesied, quote, "But unto you that fear my name shall the Son of Righteousness arise with healing in his wings." End quote. The Son of Righteousness has come, but all too many men prefer the sickness and death of sin to his healing. The world stops briefly to observe Christ's birth with hypocrisy and empty words, then returns to its perversity and evil. The wicked are evil because they choose to be. They have no desire to change, and they see sin as an advantage and as the preferred way of life. Thus, the world, in the person of Herod, tried to slay the infant Jesus, and in his manhood, they seized and crucified him. Things haven't changed since then, as far as the world of the fallen man is concerned. But the infant Christ was not killed by Herod, and the crucified Christ rose from the dead. Rome and the Herods are gone, and Christ's power is only increasing. Isaiah 9:7 prophesies, quote, "Of the increase of his government and peace there shall be no end." If you aren't under his government and in his peace, then, like Rome and the Herods, you shall be judged and set aside. If you stand in his righteousness and under his rule, then you're a part of the universe's greatest purpose and victory. Christ has come. He reigns over all creation. The question is, has he come into your life, and does he reign over you?